Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Before I demolish the house, I'm gonna do a really quick tour so you guys can see what it looks like now in its current state. Let me just tell y'all, it's dirty. I did a cleaning video a day or two ago, and people were like, oh, it's not really dirty. And I'm like, okay, today you're gonna see it, so don't even mention it, don't say anything. Technically, today's my last day in the house. I'm actually moving out today because a subscriber purchased the rug upstairs. So my little pallet's gonna go bye-bye. All the rug is gonna be gone, and then within the next week and a half, pretty much the next time you guys see the house, so I'm gonna like not come in here. I'll be downstairs because downstairs is okay, but upstairs. But the guys have started working, so I'm gonna do a quick tour. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of this, get all of this together, put these things back up, because I'm gonna paint, so there's really no reason for me to have it out. So I'm gonna just get all this stuff cleaned up, and that's pretty much gonna be it, you guys, all right? This is the closet. My stairs, they're dirty, y'all. I'm about to clean up in a minute. And then of course, the fireplace, which is gonna be different. My fabric swatches and paint. And this is why I be feeling a little sensitive. People be like, give me the paint color. What's the paint color? Cause I'm like, it's been about 2 days and I'm still trying to figure out what paint color I want. And then hopefully in the next couple of days, I can put up some samples on the wall. I really should have had the samples up now. So while the guy's doing the drywall, he could have just went over the color so that way you can't see it through the new paint. But I'll do that later on. But it's a process to even get it together. And then of course, when you turn, okay, this is the kitchen. My flowers are on their way out and the stuff on the counter. I took down the orb on the light fixture so that way I can clean it. It's not broken. It's right over there. Just let me show you guys. It's right over there, peeking through, right there. I mean, there isn't really much to the house. I don't know. People were like, do a tour. Well, let me not say people. It was a handful of people that was like, are you going to do a tour? Whatever the case may be. And then this is the pantry, which is going to be changed. The electrician has to come back out again because I forgot 2 spots. I had marked the X, but then I forgot about it. So this is where the space is for the microwave. He has to do a plug there. He has to do that. And then I have everything off the floor because the floor has to get done. So I think they're going to end up removing this piece here in order to get the floors out. But that's the pantry. It's going to be different. So that's kind of good that I have the video to check. And then I took pictures. So I have befores. So when things change, it'll be a before and after. I'm up the stairs and this is what the space looks like. The next time you guys see this, the floors are going to be gone. So yeah. I don't know what else to say. But the floors are going to be gone. Because right now everything just seems so gray. And the flooring, which you guys have seen now, it's more of like a natural oak color. It's so pretty. I mean, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna really just enjoy seeing it down there. But yeah, it's gonna be different. So here's the master bedroom. There's no crown molding, so that's gonna get done, which I'm really excited about. And then this is pretty much my little pallet that was on the floor where I slept the 2 nights in here. I already have all the crown molding in the garage. All that stuff is like, I have everything, you guys. So pretty much this is the last thing you're gonna see this room looking so regular. And then here is the master bathroom. All right, it's really long. And then I'm gonna try to find 2 light fixtures to go in here. Because I don't want that light. I want light fixtures. I don't know what just yet. Because I haven't gotten any decor, no tumblers, no toothbrush holders. So I haven't got any of that stuff yet. But I will be getting it. I don't know if I wanted to have a trimming of gold. But I'm also waiting to see what I do with the backsplash. If you're trying to figure out what the heck I'm talking about. I went to the store and I grabbed this. It's okay. I'm not like in love with it. A little too modern for my style personally. I do like it, but I think I want to find something different. It's just okay. but it does match really nicely with this because of the brown tones in it. You know, I'm trying to not make it too much of a contrast. So pretty much this is the loft space. I just got the lights changed out. You guys, it's not gonna focus because everything is just so freaking white right now. Let me see if I put it on the whole. All right. I just moved the light switch. It was actually right on top of the plug right here. Just moved that. And then here's my closet under construction. I know I just closed and it seems like I'm still waiting for the builder to get done, but no, the builder's me now. Call me Nadia the builder. So pretty much that has to get fixed. All of this is gonna get fixed today. I already started cutting the rug, so that's gonna get done also. And let me show you guys really quickly because the closet's gonna sit within this niche wall right here. And then this right here is going to have drywall, so that way I'll still have this part of the closet in here. And then over here, I'm gonna have my vanity inside this niche. The only thing that's gonna be different, and it's probably gonna take maybe 2 to 3 months to do it, so I don't know exactly when. I wanna take my countertop for my vanity because that middle piece can't go in there because it makes it too wide. I'm still gonna let the guy spray everything down, but I'm gonna leave that piece in the attic because I can't use it. So I think I am going to do quartz or corian to go on top of it and on top of the island, simply because I want to switch it up so that way it's a little bit more on the contemporary side of things than the traditional that I had previously. Here is the laundry room, which the flooring is coming up also. I don't know if I'm going to do crown molding, but I feel like I want to do crown molding, but I'll do it when I get into this room. Cut the lights on. It's still very yellow. And my electrician put the plug in. I know it probably seems like, why is she excited about a plug? Because when the guy does the conversion for the closet unit, which is going to be like my utility closet, which I'm going to be using this entire span of space, I'm going to be able to plug, come on, focus now. Oh, honey, everything is so white, Lord. I'm going to be able to hook up my vacuum and plug it so that way I could have my vacuum charging. I'm really, really excited. But I also need him to add a plug downstairs for me because I want to put another vacuum downstairs. Don't judge. Y'all already know what it is. I have 3 vacuums. So I need spaces to put everything so everything can go in its proper place. I'm really excited. Really excited. So this is going to come out. And he's going to do the custom unit in here, do all of that, so I can have my cleaning products and everything. If you guys seen the last house, it's going to be very similar to that. And then here is the boys' bathroom, which I didn't put a mirror in here either. I have time. I have almost like 35, 40 days to find a mirror. I'll find a mirror and put it in here. Now I'm also going to change this one here and just make it a little bit more masculine for them. And I'm going to do something really nice in this space. That way, you know, they can have a nice, you know, but yeah, that's pretty much it.
Now that I'm done sharing with you guys the house tour, I'm gonna go ahead and start tackling the kitchen. The first thing that I'm gonna do is change out the water to my flowers. I thought they were dead, but there were just only a few that need to be changed out, so I pulled those florals out, and I'm gonna go ahead and change the water and put the flowers back in. I'm sure you guys probably can't see it, but the house is pretty dusty from all the work that's going in inside the closet. While I'm cleaning, the guys are still in the closet working. If you saw the video that I posted a couple days ago, you'll know you know, William is in and he's working on the drywall and patching everything up to make it look new. I'm so excited once I can go ahead and do the wallpaper application. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to change out the floral arrangements. Of course, I'm gonna sweep, I'm gonna wipe everything down. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, I can't remember at this particular moment, but I took the pendant down, that way I can clean it. I did not get a chance to clean it just because there was so much going on, but I am going to get back to it as soon as possible.
but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It chose the way. Not looking for no, cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need.
So I know most people like to light their candles when they're done cleaning. For me, I like to light it once I start cleaning. For me, when the house is all clean, it just smells really, really good, and I don't have to wait for it to start smelling good. If you guys are wondering, the large candle is from Jo Malone. I've been burning it now for about a week and a half, and it smells great, and I absolutely love it. The matches I mentioned before, they are from Farrah's line. I could not find them on her website. I did find them on a different website. I'll be linking it in the description box again if you guys are interested. A few of you guys asked about that. But what I'm going to be doing pretty much, like I said, is putting everything back in its proper place. Because I'm going to be painting the house, I did not put the plates on the new light switch because, again, like I'm going to be painting. So I'm going to wait when I get all the painting done and then do it. So all the plates, I'm going to put them back inside of the cabinet. That's not where I'm going to be housing things. But for right now, while the house is pretty much, you know, a little bit under construction, is where I'm going to be housing all those things, and things that have to be returned back to the store, I'm loading them back in my car. So what I'm doing now is going in with the Caldrea to clean the backsplash. Last week you guys saw where I shared with you where I was sealing the grout, and a few of you guys had questions about it. You seal the grout in order for the grout not to absorb water, stains, bacteria, and it actually keeps the grout in place. This was a 2-day process. What I'm doing now is pretty much cleaning some of the streaks that was on the tile, which was really easy to clean. The ones that wasn't, I just resprayed the area and cleaned it. I will say this, there is an epoxy grout that does not require for the grout to be sealed. It is a little bit more expensive, and it can only be used for glass tile, like specialty tiles. So it's not for every single type of tile. So 100%, if you're getting new work done or you're in a new build, the best thing to do is to ask questions.
I stay in bed, I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft, not looking for no, cause I got you, I got you. Don't wanna show us up, but you're my own. All that I need. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories now, the sun has come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
So pretty much I've wiped down the countertops, I've wiped down the backsplash, and now I'm cleaning the sink. The sink, I put just a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend in there and I cleaned it. It had a little bit of paint specks from just the house coming together in general, not from me. So I wanted to really clean that space up. And then I pretty much took a paper towel to wipe it dry. And now I'm sweeping the floor. The guys are still in the closet working, you guys. I am just like so excited for you guys to see the space. Let me just address this right now. If you see my feet is a little ashy, they're not ashy. I put lotion on this morning, I promise. But I have been in between the kitchen and the closet while the guys are working, and it's just really dusty and everything. So what you're seeing is dust. But you know, right now we're in construction mode, so we may look a little hot mess, but it is what it is at this point. But what I'm doing now is I am in the master bedroom, which is pretty much the only room that has anything in it. Why? Because as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be moving out. Oh my gosh, this is probably the worst part about me doing what I'm doing, which is basically making the house mine. It's no longer the builder's home, it's mine. And I want it to be a certain way. I want it to look a certain way, feel a certain way. And at the end of the day, I have plans on what I want to do and I want to execute. So I have to do this. And I had to remind myself about this because packing up to move out was a little sad. I'm not gonna lie. I was just like, oh my gosh. But I got it done. And pretty much I packed up all of the bedding that I had down. I picked everything up, packed my perfume and lotions and all that jazz, which is what you guys are seeing now, because I'm going to be lifting up all of the carpet in the house. And like I said before, I sold it to a subscriber who asked about it, and because of that reason I can't be in the house because there's really nothing for me to lay the pallet on, and I'm not about to lay up on the floors. So yeah, I'm really excited. The floors are going to be getting done, trim is going to be added. If I didn't mention, so I'm doing crown molding. I'm taking the base trim off the master and downstairs, and I'll worry about the other areas as I go. So you're probably not going to see base trim around the house for a little bit, but I did purchase most of the trim for the house. But I'm going to go ahead and go and finish working. You guys, I am so excited because while I was editing, I saw this, and you're going to see it in 2.2 seconds. First of all, this carpet is beating my behind. But what I wanted to show you is the master bedroom door. So this door pretty much came with the house, but I have ordered my new door. I am so excited for you guys to see the door. It's going to be amazing. This is why, again, if you were here in the very beginning, why I was such a stickler about them getting the right door. The new door is amazing. It's pretty. I wish I could change all the doors, but I think it'd be too much. Yeah, I think it'd be too much, but to have it for the master bedroom door is going to be absolutely amazing. But yeah, I'm pretty much moving all of the carpet, and yes, I'm doing it by myself. So what I'm doing now is taking a measurement of the room. Once I got the measurement of the room, what I did was I took a Sharpie and I wrote the measurement on the back of the rug. That way when the family moved it into their home, they would know where to place each one, especially considering I took up 5 rooms of carpet. So it would just make things a little bit easier for them. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit stressed out about this whole entire process just because I was just like, oh my gosh, I just wanted the house to kind of be done. But I had to, again, be really, really patient. What I did is I grabbed the sample of the flooring for the bathroom in the bedroom, and it made me feel better. So here is what it looks like. So here is the flooring, you guys, and I'm so excited. When I say I'm excited, I'm so excited. This is the hardwood floor, and then this is the luxury vinyl. The luxury vinyl is the 8mm. You guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.